all the benefits and blessings from Raghavendra Swami. So this place has been donated to the Raghavendra Swami. One Muslim Nawab, namely Siddhi Masood Khan. Raghavendra Swami, the followers of Hindu culture. Donation offered by Muslim king.
Yeah, interesting, huh?
After the entering of Samadhi, the then Land Acquisition Commission, East India Company, one Thomas Munro became here, and now Raghavendra Swami entered Samadhi. He is no more. That's what entire village in the name of Raghavendra Swami has been donated by so and so. We take back. On that purpose, he came here. Then our Pithadhipatis, no, this is the lands and property belonging to Raghavendra Swami for the sake of devotees. He has donated because accommodation and for the sake of Puja place, all the activities we are performing. That's what we grant once in the name of Raghavendra Swami. He says, no, Raghavendra Swami entered Samadhi. He is no more. Why we should keep the lands in the name of Raghavendra Swami? Then our Pithadhipati says, no, Raghavendra Swami is in Vrindavan. Now he is in Yoga Shakti. He is in Vrindavan. He has not emptied Vrindavan. All the correct. State of Tamil Nadu, Madras Hotel, and it has been published. So, over there, all the people, all the way from various countries, various places, we pray on behalf of few people, Raghavendra Swami, certainly we bless few people and your family, and we will fulfill all the objects of prayer. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. We see one by one.
ನಂಗೆ ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅದು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಂತ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಫಿನಿಶಾ
Thank you so much. We are so
live ಏನೇನು ಕೇಳ್ತು ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ